Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica and I am so excited to introduce you to an incredible Brazilian island Fernando de Noronha. You will be amazed by its picturesque beauty, incredible wildlife, and incredible views. From pristine beaches to dramatic cliffs and lush tropical forests, there is something to please everyone here. So let's begin our walking tour. Please hit like and leave a comment below if you enjoy my tour. First up, let's go to Praia do Sancho. This beach truly lives up to its name. Its beauty is absolutely stunning. It looks like something from a postcard. Here, you can find stunning rock formations, crystal clear turquoise water, and soft white sand. There's also a wide variety of wildlife waiting to be discovered. Next, let's go to Praia do Leão. This is one of the most memorable beaches in Fernando de Noronha. Here, you can find incredible rock formations, towering rocks, and some of the world's most beautiful marine life. There are also plenty of opportunities for snorkeling and scuba diving here. Finally, let's take a look at Baía dos Porcos. This is one of the best places to watch the sunset in Brazil. From here, you can take in the amazing views of the mountains and the island's coastline. So, have I managed to make you fall in love with Fernando de Noronha? I hope so. This small island has so much to offer. It's truly a paradise on earth. If you do decide to visit, don't forget to come back and leave your comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting walking tours. See you soon.
Y por ahí tiene como... Beres.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!